Hi guys, today we're making baked lobster meals by Yaya. I kept the bottom shell after I cleaned the lobster, and I just used the tail and I fanned it out for presentation purposes. Then I started seasoning my lobster, salt and pepper. It doesn't require a lot of seasoning. And I took melted butter with minced garlic and I drizzled it on top. Set your oven to preheat at 400 degrees and cook it for about 15 minutes. Serve it with a side of salad or mashed potatoes and enjoy. Comment below and make sure to subscribe.